Hi everyone, welcome back to 7 Days channel. Forgive me for my bad hair day. I'm like a chihuahua, I know it. We're not gonna discuss it. Today I'm gonna explain you how to do this lamp. This is my second one. I have already done one video about the DIY of another lamp and I'm gonna put a link below and here. The basic things that you need are of course a shade and a bottle. I use the giant one, but you can use something like a vodka bottle that are really nice. Look at this one, for example. Or something like a liquor. I really think that you can drink and then you can make your own lamp. Firstly, the hard part will be to remove the stickers and the glue that will be in the bottle. So you can use hot water, or if it's not enough, I'm gonna show you one technique that you can use.
Okay, and to clean these stains of glue, I'm using WD-40 and one kind of credit card. You spray it, you let it soak, and then you're gonna remove it with the credit card.
Then the next step depends a lot on the type of bottle that you are gonna use. For example, this one has got this amazing detail that I really think can become part of your system. For me, that I had something like a plastic cork, I really couldn't use it. We decided to cut the higher part of the neck, and doing so, of course, you can still have some itchy parts. So you're gonna smooth it down with circular motions so you're not gonna cut yourself with your own lamp. And voila! And you're almost ready to go. You miss just one hole at the bottom of your bottle, like this one, so that the wire can pass through. I really suggest you to make the hole at this point because it's really fragile. So you're gonna use a drill for glass, but in any case the bottle can be broken, can break. So you have to do it right now. So if the bottle is breaking, you didn't waste all of your time. When you do so and you have your hole, you're gonna take a piece of tape and you're gonna stick it on your hole so that the paint is not going everywhere. And now it's the time for a knife and a plastic glass. What the heck are you gonna do with a knife and a plastic glass, you're gonna ask me? You have to make a cone so that the cone can lead the paint inside your bottle. Of course, you can choose whatever color you want for your paint, but I really suggest you to use a shiny one because look how gorgeous.
Like a diamond.
You want to paint your bottle from the inside and not from the outside, because from the outside it will be damaged much sooner. And second of all, it has this really glossy finish that is really nice. I personally did 2 coats. I poured twice the paint so I didn't have patches of the bottle without color. And you really want to make it dry for something like 1 or better 2 days. You have to keep in mind that there is not so much hair inside the bottle. It's just from the top and from the bottom. So you really want extra time to be sure that everything is dry, because then when you put the wire inside, the wire can damage all your paint. And another tip, if you can, make it dry upside down. If you have a garden or somewhere where it can be turned upside down, because all the paint that is extra will fall out. If you leave it like in the normal position at the bottom, you will have much more paint because all the paint will slide into the bottom, and then you will have another color from the bottom in respect of the top. So now comes the tricky part. I really suggest you to buy a dowel, but we didn't have a dowel, so we used a stick. And you want that your stick or your dowel is as tall as your bottle. Our wasn't, so we used a trick to make it work, and we used a screw so that the piece of stick plus the screw was as tall as our bottle. Then you want to make two holes, one at the top and one a little bit lower at the side of your stick. In the side where you have the holes, you want to make other holes and then slowly create a channel where will be placed your wire. Now it's time to remove the tape, and if you have been unlucky like me, you have to clean what remained from the tape. And you want to pass the wire from the bottom till the top. It's now the time to use your dowel, and you want to insert the wire in the channel. And now you will understand why we did the channel. Otherwise the wire doesn't have the space to get through the hole. P.S. I forgot to tell you that the dowel have to be exactly the same diameter, or kind of slightly bigger if you wanna cut the lower part in respect of the hole of the bottle. If your dowel was slightly bigger, you can gently hammer so that the dowel can be stuck inside your bottle, or otherwise, if it's exactly the same diameter, at the top you can put something like, for example, a piece of cloth, so that it can make the right friction so that it can be stuck inside. Now it's the time to assemble the light. It's not so hard how it seems to be. You have just to disassemble all the pieces and recompose all the pieces with the same order. Just you have to put the two wires, the blue and the red ones, you have to screw them in the right piece. And that's it. In this phase, I really suggest you to secure the bulb to your dowel. You can pre-hole your the plastic part of the bulb, and then you're gonna screw inside the dowel, so everything will be steady. Somehow you may still see a little bit of your stick or of your dowel that is not so aesthetically pleasing, so I use the twine and a hot glue so that this part is gonna be covered in an organic look. The lamp at this point is almost done. You just need a shade. You can use this simple one, or you can find hundreds and hundreds on the internet, and your light bulb. And can you believe that you made a desk lamp? Yes, it was that easy. Thank you so much for watching. If this video pleased you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to be part of the 7 Days family, subscribe is the red button down there, and see you soon to the next video. Bye! I'm gonna put a link this, something like this. Figlie paracalò, che mi sta staneva. Sì, ma... And the next step depends a lot on the type of the... Ti elega?